Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Nina. In this video, I want to show you my 24-hour glow up challenge. And this is in preparation for a big event. So I'm going to share with you my body care routine to prepare for a big event such as a wedding, prom, graduation, or a birthday. So the first thing that I do is dry exfoliate my body. You can use a dry brush like the one from the Body Shop, or what I'm doing here is I'm using the brown silky peel. It comes with an exfoliating attachment, so I exfoliate my whole body with it. What I like about it is that it's rechargeable, so whenever you are using it to exfoliate or to epilate, you use it without a cord. Next, it's time for hair body removal. A lot of people wax. What I do is I epilate. It's easy because there is no mess and I got used to it. It's a bit painful because the process is longer than waxing, but at the end of the day you get used to it. So I epilate my whole body with it, and I like that it comes with different attachments. So the first one that I'm showing you is a massager that you attach to the main head and deviates the pain. So instead of focusing on the pain, you actually focus on massaging your body. So I epilate my whole body with it. The only area that I don't epilate is my bikini area. So I epilate my legs, my arms, my underarms. Then I do a mask for my underarms to brighten them. So I use baking soda and a little bit of water to have like a pancake mixture consistency that I apply so that I brighten the area. So here I'm showing you the different attachment that the silky peel comes with. So it makes the process of hair removal more precise. I use this to remove the hair around my knuckles and my toes. Some people use it to remove facial hair, but I have the tweezer man for that. So as I mentioned, I don't epilate my bikini area. I use the shaver extension that comes with the silky peel. So I like that you have different extensions and different attachments that you use for different areas. So if you don't like the pain of epilating, you can use the shaving attachment. So if I don't have time or energy, or I don't want to feel pain, then I shave my whole body with it. Next, I grab something that we all have in the kitchen, so an egg. I divide it into egg yolk and egg whites. I use the egg whites to remove the blackheads. If you have a blackhead strip removal, then you can use that, but if you don't have it, then you can divide a toilet paper in half and use the egg white. So you just put the egg white around your nose, and then you put the toilet paper on the area, and then you add more egg white, and when it dries up you remove it, and it removes some of the blackhead around your nose area. And then for the egg yolk, I use this for a hair mask. So I wet my hair under the sink, and then I put the egg yolk on my hair. I then like to exfoliate another time. This time I'm using a DIY body scrub. So I am DIYing the cup of coffee mask from Lush, and I noticed that it has glycerine in it and coffee. So I actually had some coffee in the morning, so I used the coffee grains that I already used in the morning with my coffee, and I add some glycerine with it and coconut oil. And I don't have exact measurements, I just see when the consistency is right for me. And you can add more beneficial products with it, maybe shea butter, maybe cocoa butter, whatever you like. But this is what I had at the moment. So I put this all over my body. I let it sit around like a mask, and then I removed it in the shower while I exfoliated my body. After I shower, I do a little mani and pedi. So you can use a pumice stone for that. I do have one that is like a machine. It does the work for you. Then I use my chemical exfoliative pads that I use on my face. I use it around the areas of my legs that have scars from ingrown hair, and I'm trying to help my body exfoliate these areas to minimize the scarring and the redness. So I'm just trying it out and I will let you know how it works. So the idea here is that it helps my body self-exfoliate. So that was it for the glow up challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed. One thing that happens with me is that when I watch other YouTubers do this challenge or do like makeup in general, I see that they change a lot, but when I do it with myself, I don't see much change. But today I actually felt the difference and I felt the change, maybe because it's my attitude, maybe it's just the makeup that I did it differently today, or the self-tan, or everything together. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that was what you were expecting from this challenge. And subscribe because I make videos on self-love, mindfulness and success, but mainly I'm concentrating on self-love. So that's it. Share this video and subscribe for more content. And I will see you in the next week. May you have a clutter-free life.